Have you installed iOS 18.7.7 yet? Because if you're still using iOS 18, like me on my iPhone XS Max, and you haven't updated, your device could be at serious security risk right now. Apple just released an important security update to fix a dangerous vulnerability called the DarkSword exploit. And honestly, this one is a bit scary. Hackers could take control of your iPhone simply by making you visit a malicious website. Yes, just opening the wrong website. That's it. So this update is especially important for people who are still on iOS 18 and don't want to upgrade to iOS 26. Hi friends, welcome to Pre-Dev Tech. Let me quickly show you how to install this update. I'm using my iPhone XS Max here. Go to Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update. And here you can see the latest update, iOS 18.7.7. If you see this update, just tap Download and Install. It only takes a few minutes, but it can protect your phone from serious security threats. Now, let's quickly look at Apple's official security page. You can see here that Apple fixed multiple vulnerabilities in this update. Let me read a few important ones. 802.1x, impact. Apple Key Store, impact. Audio, impact. Device lock, impact. Focus, impact. iCloud, impact. And WebKit, impact. These are all system components, and vulnerabilities here could allow attackers to access data or run malicious code. And according to tech reports, this vulnerability, called DarkSword, can target users through infected websites. So even normal browsing could put your device at risk if you don't update. The good news is, the fix is simple. Just install the update. That's it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. I share simple iPhone tips, security updates, and important settings to keep your device safe. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.